Find the integration of tan inverse x with respect to x from 0 to 1. We need to find the integration of tan inverse x. And as we know that integration of tan inverse x, it is 1 by 1 plus x square. And since we are going to find the definite integral, so we don't need to put any constant here. So we just simply put the limits, that is 0 to 1. Okay. At first we need to put the upper limit, and then after we need to put lower limit. Okay. In place of x, putting the upper limit, it is 1 plus 1 square. Okay. Putting the minus sign here, and then after we are going to put the lower limit, that is 0. That is 1 by 1 plus, in place of x we are going to put 0 square. Okay, 1 by 1 square, it is 1 plus 1, it is 2, minus 1 by 1 plus 0 square, it is 1. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 1. After subtracting 1 from half, it will be minus half. Therefore our required answer will be minus half.